Buncombe County Tax Assessment has new online tools that will make it easier for you to view your property details, compare property values, and for appealing reappraisal values. It's the Property Record Search and Compare tools. To get started, visit buncombecounty.org/myvalue2021. On the screen, you will see a big square button that says Property Record Search Tool. Now you can search for your property either by name, address, parcel ID, or all of the above. When you find your property, there will be key information about the land, details about the building, and its transfer history with value changes. Note, Tax Assessment recommends everyone view their property to make sure the building information is accurate and up to date. If you look at your property's building information, you will see the number of baths, fireplaces, heating type, bedrooms, patio size, etc. If you notice anything incorrect, click on the blue See an Issue, click here and Request a Change button. On that page, you can change number of bedrooms, baths, fireplaces, or add any additional changes you want to make. Make sure you supply your proper email address and a phone number so Tax Assessment can reach out to you for further inquiries. You will also notice on the search tool that you can access Discover Buncombe, which brings you to Buncombe County's tool that gives property owners some very useful information about their property. It not only provides links to your property card, but you can verify your address for 911 service. You definitely want to make sure if you call 911, they will go to the correct location. You can see what the nearest parks, pools, and libraries are. You can even see your school district, voting precinct, and local representatives. And finally, you can access a crime map to see what sort of activities have been going on within your neighborhood. Back to the property record search, you can also find your billing and property card, your GIS, and easy access to appeal your property value based on the upcoming 2021 reappraisal. Finally, there's a button for the Compare. Welcome to the Compare. It is an easy way to identify and view comparable sales for a property. The subject property will be highlighted in red on the map. In yellow, you will see the sales that are comparable within your area. Before we get into the tools, I want to talk about how to use the map. It has standard online map functionality. You can toggle between satellite and street map view and zoom in and zoom out. Since it utilizes Google, you can also view the street imagery by dragging and dropping the pegman on the map. Now for utilizing the tools of the Compare. By default, the selected sales are within a specified distance of the subject property and are within a specified date range. A red filter indicates that it's active. You can refine the filter at the top to change the criteria of the search for properties you want to compare. For example, you can increase the search radius, search for more recent sales by adjusting the sale date range, search for sales with a specific square footage size, or search for sales that are a specific quality or grade. If your search returns too few comparable sales, you may need to relax or turn off some of the filter conditions. Note, clicking on any of the sales on the map will highlight them in the list. Clicking on a property in the list will expand the attribute information. To select a comparable sale, click on the Add Comp button. To view the selected comparable sales, click on the Comparables tab. Lastly, click on the Save Comparables icon to generate a PDF comparable sales report to save or print. There you will find an easy, organized way to compare your property with the others that you choose. For more information and for great resources, visit buncombecounty.org/myvalue2021.